gorgeous people. This is my first ever YouTube video, so I wanted to take a few minutes to let you know who I am and what I plan to do with this channel. My name is Amber Meeks. I am a self-taught DIYer from a small town in Ohio. I have a beautiful 2-year-old son who is the light of my life, and he is what's given me the motivation to start this channel. The focus for this channel is going to be fashion and craft DIYs. I love to take things that are already in my closet or things that I find very inexpensive at the store and turn them into things that are more my style. I like to shop at stores like Gabe's, Walmart, and Family Dollar to get my clothes. Now I know those stores don't sound very exciting for fashion, but they actually have a lot of things that are on trend, and with a little bit of tweaking, you can make them look like designer styles. Now anyone who follows me on Instagram or Facebook knows that I have a very large shoe collection. I will be sharing that shoe collection on this channel, as well as doing shoe revamp DIYs. Now that takes care of all the fashion. Let's get into the crafts. I'm into sustainable crafting, which means I take things that most people throw away and turn them into something useful or decorative for your home. I like to work with things like paper towel rolls, toilet paper rolls, plastic bags, cardboard boxes, anything that you're taking and putting in the garbage. I'm pulling it out of the garbage and turning it into something fabulous for your home. Okay, so I'm new to this whole social media thing, so I'm currently only working with an iPhone. So I'm just going to apologize to everyone up front for the mediocre amateur quality of my photos and videos. I'm hoping that things will get better as I progress through this journey on YouTube and all the other social media channels that I use. I've been wanting to do YouTube for a while now, and I didn't want to wait anymore to get the right equipment, the right lighting, all the right stuff to be able to do this. I really wanted to get my ideas out there in hopes that it would help someone else to realize that you can look banging on a shoestring budget, or you can make your house look fabulous on a very tight budget. You don't need thousands of dollars to be able to look nice or make your house look nice. It is very possible to do on very little bit of money if you just shop at the right stores and a little bit of an imagination to make it something more your style. You can find me on social media at Ambazars on Instagram or Facebook, and I also have an Instagram page dedicated solely to my shoe collection at Ambazar Shoes. For my first fashion DIY video, I will be doing a Wizard of Oz inspired ruby slipper. That video is coming out this Sunday, so please make sure you tune back in to check out that video. If there's anything I've covered in this video that is of interest to you, please hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!